Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Lungtan, a rural township in Taiyuan County, is home to the Hakka community. Here in the Shanlin village, there's a spectacular museum that provides a glimpse into all that's Hakka. Besides featuring displays about famous Hakka people, including author Chung Chao Chung and musician Dong Yu Shen, both of whom coincidentally hail from Lungtan Township, this museum is also a green building. After one finishes exploring the museum, then it's time to head out to the surrounding villages to experience Hakka culture firsthand.
What's up, everyone? It's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係Lim Zef Siu, Joseph Lin, right here to go in depth with the Hakka culture. And Leo is here to tell us more about destinations. 今天呢，带我们去旅游吧，小旅游就好了啦。
没问题。好，我们就来到那个透眼跟龙潭。
所以要带我们到龙潭去什么地方？
到龙潭有一个新成立的，叫做龍潭客家文化館。
龍潭客家文化館就是龍潭客家文化館嘛。
對，哇，你好厲害喲，這聽得懂。
沒有，我相信我們現在很多聽眾也都聽得懂了，知道嗎？Okay, so Leah's going to introduce to us to a Hakka Culture Museum located in Longtan Township, that's in Taoyuan County. 这个龙潭的这个客家文化館有什麼樣的特色？
它的特色就是它是一個六間族。
六間族什麼樣的建築？
就是其實我們現在很流行嘛，綠建築啊。
Okay, 綠建築。Okay, so this particular cultural museum is environmentally friendly. They have that concept built into the whole structure. Okay.
而且其實這樣子也可以節省電力啊，然後就
對比較涼啊，
對，比較清涼。
That's true. Okay, 那請問這個客家文化館裡面有沒有什麼比較特別展覽的東西呢？
它主要展覽的有2位作家。因為它跟龍潭有很深的關係。一個就是鍾肇政文學館，
鍾肇政文學館，
就是鍾肇政文學館。
鍾肇政這以前我們有介紹過。
另外一個也很有名，叫做鄧义賢
寫歌的
館。對啊，
鄧宇賢嘛。
對啊，
對，他們都桃園人嘛，對不對？
是。
Okay, so when you go to this cultural museum, you can check out 2 sections in it, introducing 2 significant Hakka people. One who was a very well-known writer, his name is Zong Zhao Zhen, and the other one, Taiwanese composer Deng Yuxian. So go check it out. It's in 桃園龍潭的客家文化村。怎麼說？
桃園龍潭客家文化館。
桃園龍潭客家文化館。And there you go. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺子say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.